everyone and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So today we'll be solving a problem which is make the string great. LeetCode 1544 problem. So let's see the problem statement. So problem is seeing that we have given a string s of lower and uppercase letters, English letters. Good string is a string which doesn't have the two adjacent character like s of I or s of I plus 1, where s of I is showing the lowercase letter and s of I plus 1 is showing the same letter but in uppercase, and it can be vice versa. S of I can be higher uppercase and S of I plus 1 can be lowercase letter. So to make the string good, you can choose two adjacent characters that make the string word and remove them. You can keep the doing a okay. So then let's see the example. So example is this one. If this is an example, so you can see here the E is coming, small e is coming, then after this capital E is coming. So I can remove it simply because S of I is in is lowercase letter and S of I plus 1 in uppercase letter, and those characters are same. So that's why we will remove this. After removing, our string will be like LEETCODE, and in this string you can see here no character is in uppercase letter, so this can be a good string. Okay, so if this is the string ABBACC, so you can see here V and capital V, this can be removed. So after removing, our string will be like AACC, and after this you can see AA is coming, a small a and a capital A is coming, so it can be removed. So after this, and and small c and capital C can also be removed. So after the all the steps have been done, we get the null string, means uh, string length 0 हो जाएगी उसमें. So that's why we return zeroth length string. But there is a case like if small v and capital V is coming, there is if you see the sky values, like if you see the sky value of small a and capital A, if you take the difference, absolute difference, so it will be like 97 minus 65, that will be 32. If you take the sky value of small v or capital V, if you take the absolute difference, then also it will be 32. So if you take the absolute difference of any uppercase minus lowercase letter, same letter, it can be same letter, it should be same letter actually, but it will be like uppercase minus lowercase letter, so difference will be, absolute difference will be always same, this will be 32. You can see here, if you take the absolute difference of small d minus capital D, it will be 100 minus 68, then also it will be 32. So दिस इज द अप्रोच फॉर दिस कि मेरा डिफरेंस हमेशा 32 के इक्वल होगा. सो अप्रोच एक बार फिर से देख लेते हैं. ये एग्जांपल देख ही लिया. अप्रोच है सेम कि एब्सोल्यूट डिफरेंस ऑफ कोई भी कैरेक्टर हो, लोअर केस माइनस अपर केस या अपर केस माइनस लोअर केस, बट कैरेक्टर शुड बी सेम. सो ये डिफरेंस हमेशा 32 के इक्वल आएगा. सो इन दिस प्रॉब्लम व्हाट आई कैन डू इज I have to remove this. If my difference is 32, so I have to remove that character. So I can use a stack. If I use a stack, I can simply push my character into stack. L is coming. L is pushed into the stack. Now E is coming. Now I will check like E, st dot top. मेरा कैपिटल E है क्या, नहीं है, क्योंकि डिफरेंस 32 के इक्वल हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा. नहीं हो रहा तो डायरेक्ट पुश कर देंगे स्मॉल ई को, देन कैपिटल ई को पुश करेंगे. अगर कैपिटल ई को पुश करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे, पुश करने से पहले ये देखेंगे कि उसका जो एच टी डॉट टॉप है विच इज ई, स्मॉल ई, ये वाला, और इसका डिफरेंस कैपिटल ई का डिफरेंस 32 के इक्वल है. अगर 32 के इक्वल है, यहाँ पे 32 के इक्वल है, तो उसको एच टी डॉट पॉप कर देंगे, स्टैक में से पॉप कर देंगे. So, इस ई को स्टैक में से पॉप कर दिया. नाउ सिंपली विल पुश ई, फिर ई, फिर टी, फिर सी, फिर ओ, फिर डी, ई. So before pushing into the stack, we'll check like difference is 32 or not. बस सिंपली ये चेक करेंगे कि आने वाले कैरेक्टर का डिफरेंस, आने वाला कैरेक्टर माइनस एच टी डॉट टॉप, इसका डिफरेंस 32 के इक्वल है या नहीं. अगर है तो एच टी डॉट पॉप कर देंगे, नहीं तो फाइनली सिंपली मैंने डाल दिया सारे कैरेक्टर को इसमें स्टैक में. फाइनली विल रिटर्न अवर आंसर लीड कोड which will be this one. So let's do the code for this. So coding part is very simple for this. What we'll do, we'll create a stack of character type st. Now I will traverse a stack 4, sorry, int I equals to 0 to I less than s dot size, then I plus plus. Now I will check like if my stack is empty, st dot empty. If my stack is empty, so I can simply push st dot push ऑफ एस ऑफ आई, मेरे को चेक करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है उस केस में, तो क्योंकि स्टैक ही खाली पड़ा हुआ है, तो पहला कैरेक्टर तो बिना चेक के ही डाल सकते हैं और कंटिन्यू कर देंगे। नाउ अगेन चेक करेंगे इफ एब्सोल्यूट डिफरेंस ऑफ एस ऑफ आई माइनस एस टी डॉट टॉप, टॉप पर जो पड़ा हुआ है कैरेक्टर और एब्सोल्यूट और एस ऑफ आई आने वाले कैरेक्टर का डिफरेंस अगर 32 के इक्वल है, सॉरी इक्वल्स टू 32, इन दैट केस अपन क्या करेंगे, सिंपली एस टी डॉट पॉप कर देंगे, एस टी डॉट पॉप। ठीक है, कुछ भी चेक करेंगे नहीं। ओ सॉरी एक्चुअली here, okay, so second condition is this one. Now our third condition will like else condition, if difference is not equal to 32, in that case what I will do, I'll simply push that character into the stack, so st dot push of s of I. So these are some conditions I have pushed. I have checked my condition like if that difference is 32, simply pop that. So now I have done all the cases. Now what I will do, after this loop, after this loop, I'll take a string answer, okay, and I will traverse like I will apply a while loop while my stack is not empty. My while not of st डॉट empty, जब तक मेरा स्टैक empty नहीं होता, ठीक है, तब तक ये while लूप चलेगा और आंसर इक्वल टू आंसर प्लस एस टी डॉट टॉप करता जाऊंगा और उसको टॉप से हटाता जाऊंगा, तो एस टी डॉट पॉप करता जाऊंगा। सिंपली जो मेरी स्ट्रिंग बनी है, ये वाली स्ट्रिंग बन गई है, ये बचा है मेरे पास, तो इसको ऐड करता जा रहा हूँ। पहले ई ऐड होगा, फिर डी ऐड होगा, फिर ओ डी ऐड होगा, फिर सी ओ डी ऐड होगा, फिर डी सी ओ डी ऐड होगा, ऐसे। ठीक है, and finally I will return my answer string. So now let's run this and see if this will work on. Definitely it will work. So it is meaning something wrong. Okay. So let's see what is the problem. Yeah. Answer equals to str top plus answer. That is the correct. So what is the problem in this? So now again let's run this. Simply run and see if this will work or not. Now definitely it will work. Okay, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. Yeah, it is working perfect, taking 6 millisecond time. So you can see here I have done this problem. So what I have done is simply I am creating a stack, and by using the stack I am pushing my character into the stack and checking the condition before pushing the character into the stack, like absolute difference of आने वाला character minus stack dot top is equals to 32, because we know that the difference between, if the character is same, so the difference between the uppercase letter minus lowercase letter, definitely it will be 32. So if this is the case, then ht dot top pop, sorry, ht dot pop, and otherwise ht dot push of s of I, and finally we will compute our answer. So that is the approach for this. And yeah, it can be done, this question can be done without using a stack also. So that is your task, to how to maintain, how to keep track of the previous character. So that is the main logic for this. So if you can do, you can also do this without using a stack. So this is the problem and this is the code. And if you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.